Tim Cook has stepped down as a CEO of Apple, and the new era of Apple is begun with a new CEO, John Ternus. But let's talk about his contribution and his way of working in Apple. After the Steve Jobs stepped down as a CEO of Google, and he handed over him as a CEO of Apple. In 2011, he becomes the CEO of Apple, and he made the company like $1 trillion valuation, and now which is about $4 trillion valuation or market cap in 2026. Tim Cook's way of working is totally different or 360 degree different from that of Steve Jobs, where Steve Jobs makes decision intuitively, and he is very autocratic, means he makes decision with his own instinct and own belief or and own vision. He make rapid decisions and not by committee and not by hierarchy, just by personal instinct or belief, and emphasize extreme focus and think different approach. That's why most of the innovative product have been launched in his era. While Tim Cook approach is more like democratic approach, where he gives power to those high ranking employees. They handle their divisions more efficiently. They make their own decisions. This shows that Tim Cook's democratic approach. He believe data over intuition approach, where he is good at managing things too, like employees relation with him, and he gives more freedom to the employees to build something and think visionary. He is also a great strategist and a visionary. In 2017, he said that Apple Vision will be the premium product of Apple. In 2026, it's Apple Vision Pro, which is the main and premium product of Apple. And the major difference I have seen between the transition from Steve Jobs and Tim Cook is that the company shifts from innovation to the more strategic and towards service. And please tell me, what are the difference that have you seen from Steve Jobs to Tim Cook transition? And if you want to include something, then please tell me in comments. And do you think that Apple's new CEO will carry forward its legacy?